Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with Nclose. Today I'm going to show you how to take your Mini with Edynamo module and attach a battery pack. With this battery pack though, we're going to remove the enclosed circuit and do independent charging. So the first thing you do is you go ahead and you unscrew the module top from the bottom and from the case, and then you slide it away. You're going to unplug your module. You can go ahead and flip this over. Your top portion will come off now. And then you go ahead and you take out your circuit and your reader. You unplug this and you're going to move it aside. Now you take your 12-inch cable for your reader and you go ahead and you plug that in and you seat your reader. Then you're going to go ahead and just put this here. Now you can go ahead and close this. And so right here, this portion is done. You go ahead and put your screws back in. The longer screws are going to go on the outside, holding the top of the module to the bottom of the module. The shorter screws are going to hold the actual completed module to the case. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our Mini 4.5. If for whatever reason you wanted to open this, you take a flat-headed screwdriver, put it in here, and turn. Same thing here, and the case will open. However, we don't have to do that. So what I do is I plug in my lightning, and then I go ahead and I just want to go ahead and manage the cable in here. Now, there's plenty of space in your module as well, so you really don't have to worry. But what you're going to do is manage the cable internally here. And now, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to make sure this cable's secure. This cable's here. And now I'm going to make sure that my charging cable is coming out for both devices. So once you have that, as long as you're on a clean surface, nothing's interfering, you can go ahead and slide this together. Based on how you cable manage it, you might feel a little friction or pushback. Around June, we're going to have some smaller cables that will be much easier. And so just make sure you reach back out to us and your rep, and you'll be able to get the smaller cables. And so now you have your cables in here. One of them, as you can tell, I've gone ahead and just squished it. No wonder it's pushing back. So here, the cables are managed. They flow freely. The module's together. If you hold the end of the module together, it's going to close the seam on the front and make a much better appearance when you show it to customers or guests. So here's our component. We can plug this in if we want or push it in. Now we're going to go ahead and add our battery attachment. So normally on the larger cases you attach here. I'm going to attach here. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take your first screw and you're only going to go in about 2 turns. The reason we're going to do this is it gets a little tight as you screw this together. So this goes in a few turns, this goes in a few turns, and you're going to notice it feels a little tight, but don't worry. So now you have your 2 devices, you have your battery. Depending on how you have your cables, I like to take this side up, slide it in. Actually, you don't want to do that because you're going to block your port. So you want to have your USB-C and your USB-A port visible. You slide it in. You can now take your cables and plug them in. And any excess cable, you just simply tuck right into your module. So here you have this assembled and now you're ready to add a hand strap. So you can take your hand strap and you can apply it here. You could apply it here. The way that we recommend to apply your hand strap is any way you really want, but the way that we recommend is you don't leave these like this. You actually turn them upside down. So if I turn this upside down and I take out this screw, I'm going to go ahead and take my short screw or my long screw with the washer on the head. I'm going to put it in and screw it in. And then I'm gonna have my hand strap ready. Notice again, I tuck these under in order to screw it in, which means your D-rings are showing. This will allow you to connect a shoulder strap at a later time if you like. But now you're ready to go. You can charge your device, you can unplug it and take this out, and you're really ready to go.